how to properly shampoo and condition your hair. You've probably washed your hair thousands of times, but the bad news is you've probably been doing it wrong. And that's fine. For the longest time, I was clueless when it came to shampooing and conditioning. But after a little research, I'm here with some amazing techniques that have helped me change the game. Step number 1, brush your hair. So before you get into the shower, make sure to brush and comb your hair when it's dry. Gently detangling your strands make it easier to apply products without extra breakage that would occur when brushing your hair when it's wet. Step 2, get your hair wet. Now that your hair is nice and brushed, it's time to soak your hair thoroughly. Drench your hair for at least a minute with lukewarm water. The length of time can differ based on your hair type, so just take your time. The important thing is that each and every strand is wet, so your hair and scalp are both ready to absorb the most benefits from all of the products that you're using. Step 3, shampoo and massage. Gently massage a cleansing shampoo into your scalp by using your fingertips. Massaging exfoliates and also breaks down any kind of buildup while also stimulating your hair follicles. This technique can lead to major hair growth. While there are multiple ways to massage your scalp, the simplest is to start at the front near your temples, moving your fingertips to the crown of your head, and then finishing at the base of your neck. Do this, I'd say, for about 2 minutes. Also, make sure not to use your fingernails because that can really damage your scalp. If your hair requires daily washes, shampooing your hair just once should do the trick. If you're more of an every few days type, shampooing 2 times is a great idea. The first wash will remove the surface oils and all the buildup. The second will really offer you a deep clean. Step number 4, condition your hair. With your favorite conditioner ready, start at least 2 inches from your scalp, running the conditioner down the length of your hair, concentrating mostly on the ends where your hair needs the most moisturizing. How long you leave the conditioner on your hair really depends on your individual hair length and type. Severely damaged hair will need to be saturated for at least 3 to 4 minutes. Step number 5, rinse. Rinse, 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 and maybe rinse one more time. Any leftover product will promote buildup, so be sure to thoroughly rinse your hair. And your final rinse should be done using cool water. Doesn't sound the most comfortable, I know, but I promise it's worth it. Cool water actually seals the cuticles and helps create shine. Plus, it helps keep your scalp from drying out. So, that's how to properly shampoo and condition your hair. Thanks so much for watching the video. Click below to subscribe to our channel.